Hey?
Aren't you? Get the arm warmers off, for fuck's sake.
Stop swearing.
Sorry. Okay, switch off. Okay. Little gears, George just said you're better off seated, right? It's true. We're at 1900.
Oh, look, we're at Grange. That's where we come from. And the sign says 14%. You fucking beauty. Can't. Don't you love when you see signs like that? God knows how long this is going to go for. And he's doing about 6k an hour. As you can see, another day in paradise. That yellow marking on the ground, 6k to go, you beauty, another hour.
Hey, there's a horse lying down, it was lying down. Look, check out the gradient here on the switchback. Have a look up there. Look at that. Fantastic. Incredible. Good, if your back tire needs more air, man.
Hey, sweetie. Nice tits. Here's a little baby one. Good barbecuing stuff, eh, mate? Yourself. And this one's got horns. Stay away from this fucker.
Ditch the bike or get a 34. Don't go to Dolomites if you do.
No, leave it. I'm putting it on top. I'm putting it on top. Leave it. It's alright. Zap.
That section just there, 15%. The steepest so far. And that's what we've come up. Got about 3.5 k's to go. We're getting there.
I'm going to switch off.
See the end? You see the end?
Yeah.
There it is? It's up there, you can see it. Look.
Yeah.
Huh?
The end of what?
It's wide.
Yeah, that's for it.
Huh?
Had the sign on the ground 2 k's. Look at this poor cunt, he's suffering more than me. Suffering, I guess. There's some nasty bits in this climb. I'm going to turn it off.
Made it! We're here.
There's 100 meters. There's Giorgio and his 2 boys at the top there. Waiting for me to roll up in a poor state. As I am, and I'm fucked. The French-Italian border.
2,744 metres.
That's not my concern at the moment.
Yeah, you'll be right. Get your breath back. You made it. There's
I want to change and put my other stuff on.
There's a monument down there. Just do a quick pan there, and then we'll go.
There's the snow.
What?
To my other stuff for the downhill. This is all wet.
Okay. Rudy's changing his clothes. It's been about a 13k climb, 14k's, and that's the scenery there. Just over there, there's a monument, and yeah, again another case of worth the effort. Really spectacular scenery. 2744 metres. The last 100 I changed up a gear harder because I wanted to get off the seat because it wasn't that hard. Oh, goats, the mountain goats. And yeah, it was really worthwhile. Let's go and have a look. Let's go and have a look at the other side. I've taken my road shirt off and I'm trying to dry off a bit. There's a couple of other riders here at the moment. They made it, and in the distance there's a bit of snow, and we're going to be going down there. That's the descent, Might have to put on a thermal singlet. I'm just trying to dry here. It's incredible, you sweat, but the sun dries you off really quick. But it's almost like a false warmness or false heat. You feel warm, but then you just start feeling a slight shiver. There's Georgia up there, and the body's, you burn up that many calories, you know, so you become sugar depleted. I'm gonna have me a quick Nutella, I think.
You go at your rate, I'm just going to take it easy.
Yeah.
Here's all the downhill now. How many k's of downhill is it? 20. Oh, fuck. It's pretty cold up here. Here's the first hairpin. Got to remember my left hand's the front brake and my right hand's the rear, opposite to home. Oh yeah, baby, feel that wind. I reckon now you got to be insane to do this flat chat. Got to take up the whole road. Brakes don't fucking break. Man, this would be a killer to come up. Have a look at the gradient. Fucking worse than what we did, I reckon. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm gonna have a slash behind that thing.